This company name is Dream Life Club. If you wanted to know more about the company, you can visit their website www.dreamlifeclubworld.com. This is a really amazing company with amazing plans. This is a really big opportunity for the people those who are not working and people those are sitting at your home during this lockdown and wanted to earn a lot of money. So this is the company for you and this is the plans for you. I will take you to step by step plans, procedures, vision and mission statement of the company and legal stand in India. So stay on this video. Mission statement of the company: a mission to clearly understand your financial values, goals and concerns, to help formulate an action plan to address and accomplish the above, to provide excellent service to you along the way. Vision statement of our vision: we continually wish to set new standard of work ethics, professional integrity, privacy and transparency in organizational administration, which exemplify our dedication to our objectives and to the fulfillment of our vision statement. A company with a good mission and vision statement grow really well, so you wanted to register fast with this company because in the future this company is going to grow more and more. If you wanted to know the legal stand of the company is fully legal, and you can see the company pen card, you can see the business registration number and also the certification of registration of company. Registration: you need to only pay 599 rupees. When you register your ID, then you will be capable for all the incomes and all the rewards that company have for you. Income categories: there are 4 type of income categories: single leg income, label income, royalty income and rewards income, which is really amazing company. I will take you through one by one. Single leg income: if you have 60 leg under you and one sponsor, you will able to earn 30 rupees per day and for a month 900 rupees. If you see the sixth one, if you have 2000 single leg and 2 sponsors, then you will be able to earn 120 rupees per day and for 30 days you will be able to earn 3600 rupees. If you see the 10th one, if you have 32,000 legs under you and 5 sponsors, then you will be able to earn 450 rupees per day and for a month you will able to earn 13,500 rupees. If you see the 15th one, if you have 1,24,000 rupees, 10 lakh for, if you see the 15th one, if you have 10,24,000 rupees and 10 sponsors and so 15th, if you see the 15th one, if you have 10,24,000 legs, single legs and sponsor 10, then you will be able to earn 2,800 rupees per day and for a month you will able to earn 84,000 rupees. You can add unlimited leg and earn unlimited income, so there is no limit for income. Royalty income: rupees 50 from every ID will be distributed as royalty income. To qualify royalty income, user must be direct sponsor 25 within 10 days after self ID activation. So if you activate your ID and also you have direct sponsor of 25 direct sponsor under you, you will be able to earn 50 per sponsor. If you, for the daily label income, so there are 10 labels for one. If you are on label 1, you will able to get amount 2 rupees. If you are on 2, then 2 rupees. Label 3, then you 2 rupees. And from 4 to 10, if you are on label 4 to 10, you will able to earn 1 rupees. So total rupees 100 and above label income user will be top up rupees 149 every 7 days. Whenever you earn more than 500, you will have to retop in every 7 days with same amount, capping maximum 10,000 per ID. Reward income: the first, if we see any 2 lakhs, if you have 100 and 100, you will able to get 1,000 rupees reward. The 5th one, if you see, if you have 2,500, you will able to earn 1 lakh. And the last one, if you have 25,000, 2 lakhs, you will be able to earn 10 lakh rupees. Terms and condition of the company. So these are the terms and condition, which is really excellent. The first is instant withdrawal. 7 direct will be mandatory for label income. The third is when you earn per day rupees 500 from label income, then your single leg income will be closed. Withdrawal time daily 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Minimum withdraw rupees 100 rupees. Deduction administration 10% and TDS 5% charges will be deducted. One mobile number through one mobile number and one PAN card you can activate only 3 IDs. Thank you so much and listening to this. Please hurry up and register yourself with Dream Life Bird. Thank you so much and